everyone, I'm Dr. Rose, your primal professor. I'm starting creatine tomorrow. Yes, me, at 60, because it supports longevity, mental clarity, and muscle strength. And standing out here in this beautiful snowfall reminded me of something. Aging can be strong and beautiful in every season, if we give our bodies what they need. If you want to age stronger, stay sharp, and protect your muscle as you lose weight, creatine might be the simplest upgrade that you can make. Give me 60 seconds and I'll show you why I chose it, the form I'm taking, and how it fits perfectly with a keto or carnivore lifestyle. Before you picture bodybuilders and giant tubs of powder, let me stop you. Creatine is not a gym bro supplement. It's one of the most researched, safest, and most effective tools we have for healthier aging, especially after 40, 50, and beyond. And as we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass. We lose strength and even the ability to make quick, clean energy for our cells. And even with a carnivore or keto lifestyle, unless you're eating a very large amount of red meat and fish every day, most of us still don't get the optimal amounts of creatine from food alone. Creatine increases something called phosphocreatine inside your muscle cells, which basically gives your muscles and your brain a faster and more reliable energy source. That translates to better workouts, better recovery, more strength, and even improvements in your cognition and mental clarity. All three of those things matter to me equally, and that's why I'm adding it now. And just to be clear, I'm using creatine monohydrate. That's the form used in almost all the research. It's the most studied, the most effective, and the most affordable. No fancy blends needed. Because purity matters to me, the creatine I'm using is from Thorne. It's third-party tested, NSF Certified for sport, and it uses CreaPure, one of the highest purity forms you can buy. I always want to know exactly what I'm putting into my body, and this one checks every box for safety and quality. And a quick note on kidney health. Creatine is safe for healthy kidneys. This has been shown in study after study, even in older adults. If you have been diagnosed with kidney disease, that's when you should check with your doctor before adding creatine. But for the average person, whether you're on keto or carnivore or just a regular diet, creatine is extremely well studied and very safe. But the real surprise is what creatine does for healthy aging. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, not under the skin. That's the difference between bloating and what creatine does. And that's a good thing. It helps your muscles look fuller and healthier. And for many of us who lost a lot of weight, myself included, that can even soften the appearance of loose skin. It doesn't tighten the skin, but it creates a smoother, healthier contour because the muscle underneath is hydrated and full. People also ask, does creatine increase electrolyte needs? The answer is not really. You might need an extra glass of water or two, but creatine does not deplete sodium or potassium. I just mix it into my protein shake or into my electrolytes, which I use LMNT, and it fits easily into my day. So why am I starting tomorrow? Because I want all three of these benefits: longevity, mental performance, and strong, healthy muscle as I continue on my carnivore journey. And I'm curious to track changes in my muscle shape, strength, energy, and cognition over the next 30 to 60 days. I'm starting at 3 grams per day, no loading phase. And if I feel good, I may increase to 5 grams, just one small scoop, and consistency is magic. And yes, I already took my before photos this morning so I can see the changes clearly. And if you tried creatine, I highly recommend doing the same. The changes are subtle but real, and photos make them impossible to miss. Let me know below, have you ever tried creatine, or is this something you're thinking about adding? I've been thinking about it for several months. And if you want more support on getting stronger, fueling properly, or reversing metabolic issues, my Keto Made Simple ebook and my coaching link are in the description below. I'm Dr. Rose. This has been your Truth Bomb Tuesday Daily Spoonful. I'll see you tomorrow.